In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on your LG TV. Whether it's a newer WebOS smart TV or an older model that doesn't have the app built in. It's super easy once you know the steps, and I'll walk you through all the best options. If you have a newer LG smart TV with WebOS, just grab your remote and press the home button. From the main screen, scroll through the apps until you see YouTube. It's usually near the top. Click on it, sign in with your Google account, and start browsing videos right away. If you don't see the YouTube app, go to the LG Content Store. Search for YouTube, then download and install the app. Now, if your LG TV is older and doesn't have the YouTube app, no worries. You can still watch YouTube by connecting an external streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Just plug it into an HDMI port, follow the setup steps, and download the YouTube app from that device's store. Another option, use the built-in web browser, if available, on some LG TVs. Open it up and go to m.youtube.com. You'll get a mobile version of YouTube where you can search and play videos directly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you finally get YouTube working on your LG TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you. Built-in app, streaming stick, or browser trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.